ready to turn Propstream into your personal lead generating machine. Let's dive into how to pull laser-targeted call lists that'll have your phone ringing off the hook. First, zoom into your target area on the Propstream map. This could be a specific neighborhood, zip code, or even a city. Click on the map to activate the search filters at the top. Now click on the filter button. This is where the magic happens. Start with property characteristics. Select the property type you're interested in: single-family homes, condos, land, whatever your niche may be. Next, head over to ownership info. Here you can filter by owner type, individual or corporate, and even by the length of ownership. Targeting owners who have held their property for a long time can be a goldmine. Now for the really juicy stuff. Under MLS status, select off market to focus on properties not currently listed, and under liens, you can target properties with existing liens for potential distressed sales. Propstream's Quick List Choices feature is super handy. Explore options like high equity, bankruptcy, or divorce to instantly narrow down your search to motivated sellers. Once you've applied all your filters, review the properties that match your criteria. Propstream will display them in a list view, complete with key details like address, owner information, and estimated property value. Finally, select the properties you want to target and hit the export button. You can download this list as a CSV file, ready to be uploaded into your CRM or dialer. Boom. You've got a targeted call list ready to go. Get out there and start closing deals.